Hello everyone, Zios on this side. So today hand we are dealing with the renin, angiotensin, aldosterone system, or what we call as RAS mechanism. Okay, deal with. So here we are starting with the case. So the first hormone is renin. In the RAS mechanism, the first hormone is renin, which is secreted by the juxtaglomerular cells of kidney. Okay, it is secreted by the juxtaglomerular cells of kidney. Deal with the case. Now, whenever the glomerular filtration rate decreases, or in other words, if I'll be going through that, whenever the low amount of fluid is coming to the kidney, renin is secreted from the kidneys. Okay. Now, the second hormone here is called as angiotensin, which is in inactive form is secreted by the liver. It is secreted by the liver. So the angiotensinogen. Do remember one case, whenever the word gen is coming, that it is the inactive form of the respective hormone. So the angiotensinogen is secreted from the liver. Okay. Now, this renin will be actioning on the angiotensinogen and it will be forming the angiotensin 1. Do remember, again I am repeating, that the angiotensinogen is converted into the angiotensin first with the help of renin. With the help of renin. Now, how come this angiotensinogen is converted into the angiotensin first? Now, this angiotensin first is converted into the angiotensin second. So here we have another enzyme which is called as angiotensin converting enzyme. Okay, angiotensin converting enzyme which is secreted from the lungs, Deal with the case. So this angiotensin converting enzyme has been secreted from the lungs and it is responsible for the conversion of angiotensin 1 into the angiotensin second. Now, whenever the angiotensin second has been secreted, now it will be working on the adrenal cortex. Okay, now it will be working on the adrenal cortex to increase the glomerular filtration rate, because the renin was secreted whenever the glomerular filtration rate was low, then only the renin was secreted by the kidney. So here the function of the angiotensin 2 will be to increase the glomerular filtrate rate by working on the adrenal cortex to secrete one of the hormone called as aldosterone, the last hormone in the RAS system. So here we have the aldosterone now. Okay, now what is the function of aldosterone? So basically, aldosterone is responsible for the retention of sodium. Do remember one thing, that aldosterone is responsible for the retention of sodium. At the same time, it is responsible for the excretion of potassium as well. So if you are preparing for a competitive exam, please do remember one case, that aldosterone is responsible for the retention of the sodium for sure, but still it is also responsible for the excretion of potassium. Okay, deal with the case. Now, whenever you are retaining sodium, ultimately you will be retaining chloride as well. Why? Because they are present in the bounded form. Okay, this is sodium chloride. So only the function of aldosterone is to retain the sodium. At the end of the day, chloride will be also retained, and with the help of the sodium and the chloride, they will be retaining water. And if whenever the water has been retained within the body, it will be increasing the blood pressure of the body. Okay, it will be increasing the blood pressure of the body. So deal with the case. So the first hormone in the RAS mechanism was the renin. The second one is the angiotensin second. The third is the aldosterone. Okay, and combinedly they are responsible for the retention of water. And the reason for the retention of water is to increase the glomerular filtrate rate. Okay, deal with the case. But sometimes whenever someone is going through like the high blood pressure, so there is an hormone as well. This is renin. There is an antagonist hormone of the renin as well called as atrial natriuretic factor. I've already explained about the ANF in the blood circulation lecture. So you can go through there and you can clear your concept what is the function of the atrial natriuretic factor. But still I'll be giving you a brief glimpse of what is the function. Basically ANF is secreted by the right atrium and the function is exact opposite of the renin. So if the renin is responsible for increasing the glomerular filtrate rate, our ANF's function will be decreasing the glomerular filtrate rate or to decrease the blood pressure of the subject. So deal with the case. So this was all about the RAS mechanism, that is what we call as the renin angiotensin aldosterone system. The first hormone is the renin, which is secreted by the kidney. The second one is the angiotensinogen, which is the proenzyme of the angiotensin, which is secreted by the liver. Then an enzyme comes, then renin converts the angiotensinogen into angiotensin. Then an enzyme comes from the lungs, that is called as angiotensin converting enzyme. Okay, that is called as angiotensin converting enzyme. And this angiotensin converting enzyme is responsible for the formation of angiotensin 2 or the active form of the angiotensin. Then this angiotensin 2 will be working on the adrenal cortex to increase the aldosterone secretion or ultimately to increase the glomerular filtrate rate. Okay, deal with the case. And whenever the aldosterone has been secreted, it will be increasing the retention of the sodium and the excretion of the potassium at the same time. Please do remember, aldosterone is responsible for the retention of the sodium and the excretion of potassium at the same time. And whenever you are retaining the sodium, you will be retaining the chloride as well, because both of them are in the bounded form. That is the case. And whenever the sodium and the chloride, both of them are retained, you will be retaining the water. Okay, deal with the case. And whenever the water has been retained, ultimately glomerular filtrate will increase. And whenever the glomerular filtrate rate has been increased, there will be the increase in the blood pressure. And whenever the increase in the blood pressure has been observed for so much long time, there will be the secretion of atrial natriuretic factor from the right atrium. Atrial natriuretic factor from the right atrium of the heart. And we do know that the atrial natriuretic factor's function is to decrease the glomerular filtrate rate. Okay, so how many organs are here responsible in the body fluid balancing or the osmoregulation? It's the first will be the kidney, correct? First is the kidney, the second is the liver, and the third one is the lungs. Okay, deal with the case. And whenever the blood pressure has been increased, then the heart will be coming into action. And what will be the function of the heart? The right atrium of the heart will be secreting a special hormone called as atrial natriuretic factor, which will be decreasing the glomerular filtrate rate. Okay, deal with. Hopefully this RAS mechanism is totally clear with you. But if you still do have any kind of doubt, you can ask me there in the comment section. Thank you very much.